Hi, my name is Simon Leung, and today, well, it's your lucky day because I have not one, but two of the world's most powerful platforms that you can access right now for free. These two apps are the absolute best of the best in the entire industry right now, and if you don't use them for your business, you are losing out and will quickly fall behind. But when you do use them, you will be way ahead of everyone else, even your biggest competitors. Let me show you what I mean. Firstly, you can get your free account for both right here on this website, and you'll be able to find the link right below this. So what exactly will you get? Well, the first product is called GrooveSell. It is, by far, the single most powerful sales and affiliate platform. If you sell digital or physical products of any kind, you know how big of a hassle it can be to set up your payment options, sales funnels, checkout pages, and everything in between. Well, not anymore. With GrooveSell, you get everything that you need to sell whatever you want online. Not only is it super competitive in features, the whole thing is yours for free, with no monthly fees and zero transaction fees. Check this out. In just a few clicks, type in a few words, and in just a few minutes, you have your entire product funnel all set up and ready to start making you sales. Oh, did I mention it works for both sellers and affiliate marketers? This means that an affiliate software is also built right in. Imagine having your own army of unlimited affiliates, all promoting your products for you, all absolutely free. But wait, there's more. Remember how I told you there's not just one, but two powerful platforms? Wait till you see this. Introducing the now #1 page builder in the world. The ability to build your own websites, funnels, sales pages, registration forms, and a whole lot more. It's called GroovePages. It's such a popular and high in demand product that when you try to sign up for an account right now, it might not even be available. But like I said, today is your lucky day, because through the same link below this video where you can access GrooveSell, you will also have the opportunity to get GroovePages for free. Yes, that's right, a 2-for-1 freebie. Now, it was supposed to be a surprise bonus, and so sorry that I had to ruin the surprise for you. But as you can probably tell, this is way too exciting for me to contain. For a limited time only, you will get both GroovePages and GrooveSell. When combined, this is the world's #1 page and funnel builder and sales platform, and you will get them both for free. And just like GrooveSell, GroovePages is also a super easy tool to use, where you can build professional, beautifully designed and multifunctional websites within just minutes, for whatever purpose, and to promote or sell whatever you want. Becoming an internet marketer has never been easier. And now you can click and scroll, drag and drop, copy and paste your way to online success. Now understand, you might have some questions. Here are just some of the top ones that we get all the time that I want to answer for you right now. Is this really free? Yes, it is absolutely free. Do I need to enter in my credit card details? Nope, it's free, remember? How long will I receive this free access? Your account is free for life. Will you make money from me through monthly fees or take a percentage of my transactions? No monthly cost, zero transaction fees. It's just free. How does it compare with other expensive tools already on the market? Well, we offer everything currently available and a whole lot more. And the best part, it won't cost you anything. How long will you keep this for free? Because we will constantly be improving our tools. We obviously cannot keep it free forever. So if you want it, you better get on board right now so you won't miss out. This is so awesome. Can I share it with my friends? Not only can you share it with your friends, we will also share with you how you can make money doing so. I'm in. How do I sign up? Get your free account by following the link below right now. And when you do, you will also receive a very exclusive special invitation to join our unique community of digital marketers online. Get your free lifetime access right now, and we will see you on the inside.
Software development is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so it is not surprising that new tools are often released to meet the growing demand. When it comes to online businesses, there is no exception. Marketing tools are essential for any company, including traditional businesses looking to go online, existing digital companies, or any individual internet marketer who wants to build an income from home. However, with so many choices out there, which one is the most suitable? Taking a closer look at the marketing software community, no shortages of options will come up in your research. There are tools for creating websites, building sales funnels, and developing shopping carts so payment can be processed online. While these are essential tools, the problem that many business owners face is that those products do not seem to be the most suitable for them. For example, traditional business owners may find that the available products are overly complicated, especially if they do not have the technical skills to run the systems. Then, there may also be aspiring entrepreneurs who are just starting out, and the high cost of all the available tools means that they are out of their budget. Finally, there are just too many tools that a new business owner needs, and requiring to subscribe to dozens of tools on paid monthly plans, while needing to understand and manage all the accounts, can quickly become overwhelming. Because of all these reasons, that's why GrooveFunnels was created. GrooveFunnels is a suite of online business tools designed for business owners, but without the complexity and the expensive price tag. In fact, it's quite the opposite, because GrooveFunnels is not only easy to use, it is also free. When members sign up for a free GrooveFunnels account, they get immediate access to a website creator, funnel builder, and shopping cart software, all of which allows them to have everything they need to start selling products and services online.